Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening photos and going straight to albums, then recently deleted. You do this because only items here are still recoverable for up to 30 days. Once you tap Select, inspect timestamps and sizes so you know what to keep. Make sure you're on the correct Apple ID and device, otherwise recovery won't sync. If items are present, choose Recover Now so they return to your library and become available for backup. After recovering, you'll want to prepare for backup. Recover moves photos back to recents where sync processes can pick them up. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the iPhone is connected to power. iCloud Photo Library only uploads reliably under these conditions. If you prefer a manual copy, connect to a Mac or PC and import immediately. This step prevents automatic expiration and gives you a local copy while iCloud completes its upload. To finish, Verify Settings Photos has iCloud Photos enabled so recovered items upload. If you use Optimize iPhone storage, make sure originals download if you want full files locally. Check iCloud storage quota. Insufficient space stops uploads. If the sync stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force a reindex. This often resolves stuck items. If problems persist, connect to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.